Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since my last upload. I have been busy, I have been sleeping, I have been working, I have been dying from this heat. But today I am back with a new full face, trying a new brand, makeup tutorial, something along those lines. But today I am using Sosu by Suzanne Jackson. It is cruelty free, they have vegan friendly products as well, and they also have like a sister line, neighbour line, which is like fake tan and just golden, rose goldy, bronzy goodness. But if you want to see how I got this spring, glowy, summery goodness on my face, then please keep watching. Back with voiceover Jess, and we're going to start this look off with the eyes. I am using tape for this just so I can get a more crisp wing liner, but I'm using the eye Voltage eyeliner in the shade brown. I'm just going to take that across my lash line and I'm going to blend that out with a blending brush just to get a nice crisp cat eye. This eyeliner is super pigmented, super creamy, and it's not a formula that dries down really quickly, so you can move it around and blend it out and use it as an eyeshadow base. It's a really nice pencil eyeliner. Now for this look I'm just going to use this one eyeshadow palette alone, and this is the Peach Dreams eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with this really soft warm brown first. I'm going to take that in my crease just to give some definition, some depth to my lid space. And I can say hand on heart that these eyeshadows are just absolutely amazing. This is definitely a palette for everybody's makeup counter, makeup bag. You need this eyeshadow palette. These blend out superbly with each other. They're very buildable, they're easily blendable, they're very pigmented, and I'm just going to use this cream shade just to blend that out because we're going for a really soft, like daydreamy, date night kind of look, if you know what I mean. Picking up this more warm peachy brown shade, I'm now going to take that into my crease as well for, again, a little bit more depth, a little bit more warmth. And like I said, these eyeshadows blend out really well, and they blend together really well as well. They're not patchy, they're very pigmented. A little bit goes a very long way, and you can make these eyeshadows look really soft or really deepened and vibrant. These are just beautiful on the skin. Going with this more chocolatey, warmer brown shade, I'm now going to stick that on my liner that we've just placed down. I want to build that brown, smoky eyeliner. I don't want to go straight in with a dark colour. I want to build it up to get a really good gradient between all of my eyeshadows. Now going in with the darker shade of the palette, I'm going to take that across my lash line. Like I said, we're building up the intensity for that smoky wing liner. So I'm just going to stick that across my lash line and buff it out and go back and forth with the two chocolatey brown shades to get that gradient, that softness, that smokiness that I like. Now going into this pink shimmer shade, I'm going to stick that on the middle portion of my lid, and then I'm going to follow it with the gold shimmer shade. Now these two shimmer shades you can use dry or you could use wet. Using them as a wet pigment is just going to give you that bit of oomph to your shimmer shades, making them a more shimmery, more wet glitter looking on the skin. Now using the Daydream 3/4 lashes and the power of editing, look how cute these lashes are. But we move on to the face very quickly, and I'm going to go in with the But First Base HD Skin Illuminating Booster in Rose, and this smells amazing. It's really fresh, and it's just going to give me a really illuminated, glowy, dewy face base, which is what we all need in the summer. Now taking the Dripping Gold CC foundation in the shade Porcelain, and it does take a very long time to come out the pump, clearly, but this is a medium buildable dewy finish foundation and I absolutely love this. I am applying it with a brush first just to see what it's like on the skin, but this is a very buildable, dewy finish foundation, and you could definitely use a beauty blender if you want to go for a more sheerer, more natural, dewy look, but this foundation, you definitely need to try it. Now using the Wake Up Concealer in the shade Porcelain as well, and I'm just going to stick this under my under eyes, my forehead, my nose, my chin, everything that I want to kind of highlight, brighten and bring forward. And this is also a medium buildable kind of coverage concealer, so it can hide all the mistakes, regrets, and give you a really bright and dewy look all at the same time. Moving on to contour, and I'm using the cream contour stick in the shade Kohl, and I'm just going to contour my cheeks, my temples, my nose, my double chins, just contour everything that I just want to bring some colour, some warmth, some depth, some definition, some shape to my face, and I'm just going to blend that out with a brush or a beauty sponge, whichever is your preferred choice. Now using Blush on the Go cream stick in the peachy shade, I'm just going to stick this all over my cheeks, my nose for a little bit of an 80s blush, sunburn, glowy blush look. I love it. I think it looks really cute for the spring and the summertime, but these blend out like a dream. And I'm going to marry that up with the Glow on the Go cream stick in the pink shade. I can't remember the name of it. But this is just going to give me a really nice highlighted, dewy, wet look. Can't get my words out, but these are pigmented, so a very, very small amount goes a very, very long way. Now to set the face, I'm going to go in with the Face Focus Loose Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just going to take this under my eyes, down the sides of my nose, the middle portion of my forehead and chin where I get the most oily, because I do have combinated skin, so I just want to stay matte in these places so I don't look like an oil slick later on. And going back to the eyes, I'm just going to take that warm brown shade that we used earlier. I'm just going to take that across my waterline because I just want to connect the bottom lash to the top lash lid and marry the entire look together. Using the last shimmer shade and the last shade from this palette, I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight, just for an added pop to the inner corner and just underneath the highest point of my brow. Going back in with the Kohl line, I'm just going to take that across my waterline, and I'm just going to deepen that lower lash line a little bit. So time for lips, and I'm going to go into the Let Them Talk lip kit. This is a lip liner and matching liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to overdraw my lips because yes, I don't have thick, full, voluptuous lips. Allow me that. So I'm just going to overdraw my lips and I'm going to fill in my lips. This lip kit is a very peachy terracotta warm nude lip kit, which I believe everybody needs. And to follow up, I'm going to go in with the lip plumping lip gloss just to go over the top. And voila, this is the finished look. Like I said at the start of this video, it's cruelty free, vegan friendly. Like always, I will list everything down below that I have used, and quite frankly, first opinions, first thoughts, I really love these products. Like, I actually don't have a bad thing to say about any of these products at all. I love how this look has turned out, and if you know me, I don't plan anything when I do my makeup. I just sit down and stick it to my face and hope for the best, and I think it paid off. Actually, I know it paid off. I really like how this look has turned out. So If you want to recreate this look or you want to buy any of the products that I have used, because you need to have them because they are really, really good. Really, really good. They'll be linked down below for you guys. So if you like this video, click thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share. I'll be here eventually. I mean, I can't say next week because let's be real, I'll probably take another month break. Sorry. But no, if you did like this video, then click thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share, all of that goodness, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.